Hello, amazing people. How are you all doing today? I'm so grateful that you're stopping by once again to watch my video. In this video, I'm going to share this amazing drink with you. My special Zobolo Mocktail packed full of flavors, and it is so super easy to make. Stay tuned to the end of this video to see how I make it. Right here in my pot, I'm just gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of washed hibiscus leaves or hibiscus. And to that, I am going to add my pineapple skin, which has anti-inflammatory properties and may help to prevent constipation as well as swelling post-surgery. And I'm adding some black pepper and aniseed. I love my aniseed. I literally overrate it because it's got so much going on with it. It may help with weight loss, to reduce symptoms of depression and menopause. It may help with stomach ulcers, to prevent cancers, and so much more. I will list the rest of the list down below in the description box, so please have a look to see what I'm using. And so I'm just squeezing my lime and lemon juice out into my bowl here. I will place that aside for later, and then I went ahead to blend my other fruits that I'm using, and this is my grapefruit. I am just going to sieve the juice out of it. So I am checking up on my mixture here to make sure it's boiling beautifully, and I'm doing that on a medium heat for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and blend the rest of my fruits. So here's my pomegranate, which I've blended, and I am also extracting the smooth juice out of there. I only added a little bit of water to blend it. And the next thing, my pineapple. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend my pineapple, which is here, and of course I'm sifting that as well. And once everything is ready, I'm just going to combine it all together in my jar. So here is everything. It's looking beautiful, and my mixture here is also ready. I'm going to leave that to cool before I use it. And once it's cool, I'm going to sift it, which I've done here, and now I'm just going to combine all the juices together. So I'm adding 3 tablespoons of brown sugar to my jar. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some Sobolo juice in there and just mix it together to make sure it's well dissolved. So I'm mixing that together, and then individually adding the rest of the juices, so my lime and lemon and my pineapple, my pomegranate, and then finally the grapefruit juice. Mixing that in there, and then I'll just give a stir, and that is it. It's all done. I'm going to garnish it with some mint and more lime and lemon and some clementine, and that is the end of my recipe, my juice. Try this juice. I am sure you will love it. It's a delight. You can have it cool, you can have it warm, it's a proper refresher, and it's good for your system. It's healthy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this will make you subscribe and click that notification bell so when I upload any video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you so much once again, and bye bye for now.